right, let's check the mic. I feel like I gotta. I mean, should be good. Should be good. Hopefully, not too loud. I might adjust it a little bit later. All right, so guys, we're back. It's been a minute. It's been a minute, but we're still doing this thing. We're still doing this thing. So I'll go over so first of all, if you guys have questions, I'm gonna try to keep an eye. I mean, best places to try to get in touch with us. I mean, if I'm gonna pick, I would say the general chat in the Discord is gonna be number one if you want to ask questions. I'll try to have the team that's in the background magically working. I'll try to have them forward questions to me as well. Yeah, so I mean, if we get a question in on Twitter or something like that, I'll try to respond as well, but no promises other than that. I guess let me do one thing. I just realized I didn't retweet as my own account. What am I thinking? Let me retweet as Netos on Twitter. So follow me, guys. It's unfair. Compute AI is like beating me in terms of followers. I mean, how did I know this day would come? It's like insane. I mean, I also have a bunch of followers, so now Compute AI is beating me. I mean, what's going on? I mean, it's just like disrespectful. I mean, the student has become the teacher when it comes to the streaming. So yeah, I'll talk about a couple of things just like news wise. So I do think, I mean, don't hold me absolutely to it, but I think the sort of handshake plan is that we'll do a lives this week. I don't know if it'll be Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, probably Thursday or Friday, but just keep an eye out for that, because last time we got a bunch of good questions. We'll talk. There's a bunch of stuff that we published. I mean, I might as well show you guys the screen here in a second. I just want to retweet this the last Compute AI tweet. I mean, or the stream is live basically. I just want to retweet it and like it. Oh man, I did it. Wrong count. All right, good enough. I'll do it from my account as well. Yeah, so I gotta do it. I gotta do it from my account. I just gotta. I feel it's gotta be done. It's gotta be done. I gotta promote it as well. So let's do it. All right. It's been done, guys. It's been done. Take that one off. All right, so it's been a couple weeks since I mean, a bunch of stuff happened. So we got I mean, let's just go straight through them. I'll try let's just go through them one by one. I don't have all of them in front of me, but we'll take a look at the Compute AI Twitter here in a second, and we'll try to make heads or tails of it a little bit. I do want to check before I do that. All right, so I am in a good position camera wise to do this. So let's do it. So there's so much stuff has happened, guys. It's like mind blowing. It's like you don't know how crazy it is at Compute AI HQ right now. It's insanity going on. There's so much stuff happening at the same time. So big news was we got listed on MAXC. So take that. You know, I mean, how many? I mean, so I do think don't like twist my arm on this, but I think we're the first token from Auto.fund to get listed on a centralized exchange, as far as I know. I mean, maybe there's another one, but as far as I know, at least from like the partners, etc. I mean, that's pretty big news, so we're super proud on that one. So wait, I'm trying to see, do they have a link? Can we click this right here? I want to see, does it click through to the actual listing? So support article, blah blah blah, official website, contract address, trade with zero fees. Is it here? No, contract address is our address. So yeah, I mean, anyway, you have to, it's like a slightly complicated. I mean, to get to it, you have to read the thing that MAXC tells you to read, but it's for real. It's for real, guys. It's for real. The token looks like this. If you didn't know, it looks like a volcano, this, you know, volcano circuit and on a silver coin. I mean, that's what it looks like. So I mean, if you haven't seen the token yet, that's what it looks like. So unfortunately at MAXC, we're COM3, not COM was already used by some other people who I'm sure didn't build nearly as impressive a GPU network as we did, but shout out to those guys as well. All right, so other than that, in terms of big news, So there was tokenomics vesting post, so you guys can also find it on our Twitter right here, so you guys can go check it out. It's on our Gitbook. It describes what we're going to use the tokens for, all that kind of stuff. We got a lot of positive feedback over it, so take a look. It's all pretty much detailed here. I mean, we're trying to be as transparent as we can, and it also puts to bed a lot of the claims that like we dumped all the tokens, etc. It's very clearly outlined here, and you can follow up on the addresses and stuff like that as well, just to verify that everything is as we say that it is. Other than that, a couple partnerships. Aya will be doing some stuff with Cookie. I mean, guys, yesterday was like, here, I'll go full screen for this. Yesterday was insane. We got mentioned everything that AI. I mean, you guys can just look for AI XBT. I mean, we'll do it together. I just don't know if it's gonna work in the search. So let's do AI XBT agent and compute AI. I just want to see if it'll work, and then I'll switch over here, because there was a lot of pretty epic mentions yesterday. But I have a feeling, yeah, I don't know. I'm not gonna be able to find them as quickly right now. But let me just say, I'll just say there was a lot of epic AI XBT thoughts on our project yesterday, and they were all pretty epic. I mean, this one became like our slogan. Follow the infra is what we all say now. That's our new greeting within compute AI. We just say follow the infra, and then there's there was some other good ones as well. I don't know if it's gonna I mean, just the way that it does the optimizations, I'm not gonna be able to find them all right now, but trust me, just look at compute AI. There was some good tweets, some good ones from Cookie as well. Cookie agent also gave us some shout outs, so we were pretty excited about that. So tokens listed, centralized exchange, so that's exciting. Then we have the tokenomics, that's pretty exciting. We had a bunch of people join our Discord, that's exciting. We got a ton of new people that are, you know, fans joined the Discord, all that kind of stuff. That's super exciting. If you do any sort of development and you want GPUs to run whatever project you're doing, whether it's something as crazy as Hyperfy or any of the other stuff that we're doing, just hop on our Discord, reach out to us, and get ready. And so, yeah, all in all, I won't dwell on this too much. Although, guys, I have a check it out. We got an astronaut T-shirt today. Why is that? Why do we have an astronaut T-shirt? Because you know, I mean, tokens doing pretty good. We'll take a very short glimpse right here, just for the record. I mean, it's basically like you know, keeping for public record. I mean, just so that when you're looking back in 100 years at this stream, you know, your children's children, they'll look back and they'll know that Com was at 10.5 market cap with 1 million 24-hour volume. I mean, that's just, you know, that's just your average May 27th 2025 for the record. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Real quick, I will mention like from a technical point of view, stuff that we're working on, so stuff to look out for from a technical point of view. So I'll talk about this. I mean, it's a little bit in the tokenomics. It's not 100% finalized. This is like another thing where, guys, we're developing all this open. So hop on our Discord, talk to us. We can have a chat about this. So we actually have, we got a lot of good feedback about the tokenomics, essentially staking that we're going to be implementing. So I will say on stream, we're going to have some sort of mechanism where you can stake to get AI resources. That means that you can use the GPUs for rendering. That means that you can use the GPUs for inferencing. So all this stuff is going to be you know, set up, and we're basically, I mean, we're building this with the community. We're hearing people's demands, what they're looking for, all that kind of stuff. So if you want to be part of the conversation, I mean, guys, now's the time to join. You can have legitimate input into the process. Where I mean, basically, we're building everything that we build based on feedback of projects that want to collaborate with us, you know, people who need the kind of resources, the GPU resources that we have to scale all that kind of stuff. So if you want to be part of the conversation, we're an open project, fair launched, all that kind of stuff. You can be part of it, and you can give us feedback, and we'll try to implement the feedback. So right now we're having a discussion about essentially what we're gonna, what sort of the staking rewards are gonna be. But I think that'll be more or less finalized in the next couple of days. And so you could, like I said, you can be a part of the conversation. It's completely, you know, we're getting feedback, getting feedback in the open. So join us for that. Probably the best place again is the Discord, because that's where the slightly more technical conversation takes place. So that's number one. Number two is this week. So you guys can look forward to this week. So this week means I think this part of it will probably actually be more likely we're just going to record it. It's not going to be, I don't know if we're going to do a live stream per se around it. We may do a live stream with the project that we're collaborating with. I'll save it so that they can, you know, steal the thunder in terms of doing a really big announcement around it. I just don't want to step on their toes. But essentially, we have a company that we work with that we're going to be working with in terms of guys. We gotta boot this guy over here too. I can't believe it. I shut it down, and then we don't have the RGBs going. I mean, what is this? Look at that. I mean, you obviously need just RGB rainbow on the RAM. I mean, like, we got to do a serious stream here. I can't have the second PC behind me turned off. I mean, that's just not serious. So we are going to be doing a bunch of stuff with our mining partner coming up this week. So that's going to be super exciting. So we're going to show you guys the kinds of servers that we're looking at. I mean, essentially the kinds of servers that we've acquired that we're going to be adding to the network. They're going to be super special. So I've a couple people who are sort of in the inner circle have already heard like what the specifics of these machines, and they're super, super, super interesting. And so again, for the mining stuff, we're working on the specifics of how you can become a part of the network, how you can work with us, etc. Also getting feedback and looking at that. But for sure, we have already from one of our partners, we're going to have some machines that we're going to be running in one of their data centers and one of their racks, and we'll have the opportunity to play around with it, see the performance of these machines, and that'll kind of be like guidance as to what's possible today. Other than that, I think from a technical point of view, we're probably going to be testing some consumer cards. So I got a 3090. We have some 4090s. We also have so hopefully we're gonna get at least one 5090 to test with as well, because that's pretty good baseline. So I don't know how much you guys follow the, you know, all the innovation. I mean, basically what you care about is the VRAM. On the 3090, 4090 standard, the VRAM is 32 gigs. On the 5090, you actually get 32 gigs. So the 32 gigs, I can tell you the 24 gigs gets tight, especially for the image video generation. For LLMs, it's still kind of not enough for doing serious LLM stuff. For doing smaller models, it's fine, but for doing 70 billion parameter models, it's basically still not enough. So I hate to burst the bubble for any 5090 owners that were hoping they could just get by on a 5090. Unfortunately, for the really useful models, in my opinion, IMHO, it's not enough. But for image and video generation, it should barely be enough, but good. So the advantage with the 5090 is it should be faster than the 4090. I mean, I know I watch all the gaming reviews as well, guys. I know people complain about you know, the FPS not going up in games so much, but the AI performance should be significantly better on the 5090 just because of the sheer amount of the AI cores that they've actually added to the 5090. So we'll take a look at that. We'll have a direct comparison. I think that'll be super useful for everyone to see and know as well. And then most likely, I mean, we're going to be essentially one of the themes, which I sort of was talking about last time as well, is we're just going to be building machines that we would like to see on our network from the community, and there will be a ton of stuff around it. So we'll show you what kind of hardware we're going to use, what kind of hardware we recommend, and basically build quote unquote a node slash a miner, if you want to call it, slash, you know, some sort of staking machine, something along those lines is probably going to be something that we're going to devote some attention to, because so many people ask us about, you know, why do you run these gigantic GPUs versus do you guys run this in the cloud versus all this other stuff? And I mean, the point is that we run what's readily accessible to us. We maintain the network for now. I mean, so we're basically maintaining all the GPUs that are in our network. There's stuff that's easier to spin up, spin down that we currently use. And but eventually we're going to get to the point where it's actually going to make sense to have others join our network. The network's going to grow, and we're going to be able to offer way better, more competitive prices for things like image and video renders. And that's going to come by, you know, distributed compute, by people distributed all over the world, connecting their GPUs to our network and solving certain tasks. Maybe not tasks as big as, you know, running the very latest LLM, because that's probably the most memory intensive thing that's kind of out there that you would do. But doing things like video renders is a pretty typical, you know, 5090 would easily do this kind of thing. And so that's going to be the stuff that we're going to be looking forward to as well. So I mean, that's kind of let's call it the news segment. The news segment is over, guys. That's the major news that we had here. So let's talk a little bit about, I'm going to show you guys. So yeah, so partnerships, etc. I mean, I'm telling you, there's so much going on. I can't remember all of it. I mean, if you want to see all the stuff, all the partnerships, I mean, my phone is blowing up all the time from all the people that have been reaching out. I mean, the visibility has been crazy. Stuff like this stream has helped as well. So thank you for everyone. I mean, it's super useful to us. If you get in touch with us, let us know that you watch the live streams. I mean, it brings a tear of joy to my eye to hear that this isn't, I'm just not just staring at a camera with myself talking, that people actually see the utility of it and see like how they can implement stuff themselves. For us, so I mean, I mentioned that to say, like, we're constantly improving on all this stuff, getting customer feedback. There's a ton of partnerships. There's stuff that I probably forgot to mention, et cetera, et cetera. All right, so let's talk. We're back to Dimitri does technical NetUs technical stream. Begin. All right, so first things first, just in terms of, so we added a bunch of stuff again based on customer feedback. So one of the things that we had super heavily requested was to add a 3D model, which, I mean, I was like scratching my head for a little bit. And then it turned out that we have a lot of guys who are involved with AI16Z and Hyperfy, et cetera, et cetera. So just like the perfect, you know, Venn diagram intersection of those two. And one of the things is it's really difficult to get assets into games. So it turns out there's actually quite a few models for generating 3D assets from images, from multiple images and stuff like that. And so we've added it. It's here. Let's do it, guys. Come in. Let's do it right now. So I'll show you really quickly. We're gonna launch 2 GPUs because we can. So by the way, we're gonna be using H200s today. I mean, why not just use these $40,000 GPUs? I mean, why not? I mean, somebody messaged me that they're more than 40,000, so let's call them $50,000 GPUs. I mean, who cares? Who cares? Let's just launch 2 of them. We'll just run these, you know, $50,000 GPUs for a little bit right here, and then we'll, you know, we'll just keep going. We'll just keep going after that. So we got merely, gently, secure GPU, and we got surely, gladly, rapid GPU over here. We got NVIDIA H200 and an NVIDIA H200. Oh yeah. All right, and so you can see right here, we get TRELLIS is going to boot up. So the thing is, we can use like Comfy UI, CSM, Whisper, TRELLIS. The thing is, guys, this is how fresh from the press is. We got this model up and running in like the last 2 days. So the issue is this model currently downloads. It currently downloads the model, like the instance boots up and then it starts to download the model. That's something we're gonna fix with some creative use of the Hugging Face CLI. But we're gonna basically have to modify the Docker container. So as with everything, this container's on GitHub. You guys can check out how we run it. You can run it locally, all that kind of stuff. But this container downloads the models, unfortunately, so it does take a little bit to download the models. It's something that we're gonna fix. So probably, you know, if you're watching this at least 1 week later, I mean, I expect like tomorrow, definitely by the end of the week, we'll have this fixed, because it's a pretty trivial fix, but it's working right now. You just got to wait a little bit. So now it loaded. It just takes like an extra 60 seconds to download the models or something like that. But this is absolutely working. So I will say shout out to Microsoft who built this model, made it available to everyone, et cetera, et cetera. So I mean, this is like a Microsoft model, so golf clap to Microsoft for doing a pretty epic model. And so we'll be playing around with this right now. So we can do basically, I mean, we can take something like this Aztec, this, or Inca, I forgot, is it Aztec or Inca? I think it's an Aztec, right? Pyramid, generate 3D asset. We're going to click generate 3D asset, and then we can go over here and watch the GPUs get loaded up. Here, this guy's at 91%, and then it's running. I think it might be already be done. Yeah, there we go. And so we get a 3D render of this guy, and then we can actually click export GLB right here as well. And then this is actually a standard 3D model file that we're gonna get. And I mean, this also renders for a little bit. I don't know. I saw GPU usage go up last time I ran it. I don't know. Maybe it's downloading a model again right now, guys. We have to get it where it downloads the models ahead of time. It might just be, you know, just hanging out, downloading some models, sipping a bud, chilling out. But it's gonna work. It's gonna work. I tried this. It's gonna work. Maybe we need. Oh, there we go. It was so guys. The H200 so fast that I'm ill prepared. I'm ill prepared for this. So you can see it's like a real 3D model. You can like look around. I mean, it's like hollow on the inside. Classic AI. I didn't describe how it looks like inside, so I just assumed it's hollow. And you can do any of these sorts of models. They're actually, I mean, they're gonna work. So here, let's do this house right away. I'm curious, can I click export GLB and skip this one? Because the 3D model viewer is actually nicer than the video. I mean, the video is kind of epic to, I mean, I've been generating 3D models of everyone's faces in our internal chat basically, and then pasting it to them, and then it's pretty funny. I mean, you just take the Google Meet call and then just generate a 3D model of everyone's face. So people aren't as appreciative as I thought. So yeah, so for whatever reason, I don't know what the multi-step render is here. That's another thing that we want to tweak in sort of this Gradio. It basically creates, for whatever reason, it's like 2 steps. So you have to click generate 3D asset and then export GLB. It works, but for whatever reason, it's a 2-step process. Don't ask me why. All right, so let's run that for a little bit here. And then we'll try it out. We'll see if this guy's hollow as well. We'll see, guys. We'll see here in a second. I mean, we could take bets if the mushroom house is going to be hollow or not on the inside. Let's take a look. Or is it hollow? Who's got over under on this? Oh yeah, of course it is. It's hollow, guys. It's hollow. But these are pretty epic assets that we can add. I mean, these cartoony ones, it actually does a super good job on. Some of the other ones, I mean, so a lot of times if you take a photo, it'll just immediately assume here. Right, let's do. We're gonna do the following. I have OBS open over here. Let's just try it. Let's see how well this works. So let's just try. We're gonna try Dimitri right here. Let's do it. I'm gonna paste it. Oh yeah, look at, oh man, that one's pretty good. Best Python, most underrated Python thing is RemBG that removes the background. So RemBG is what's removing the background. It is so good. I mean, Adobe, take notes. Why don't you use this open source model for removing backgrounds? I don't know. Why doesn't Adobe do it? So on these, basically, as soon as it turns the head, it just assumes that everything behind it is is super dark. I don't know why. I mean, yeah, it did weird things with my face. I mean, it's not, guys, it's AI. It's AI. Let's do it again. I want to see if it actually, you can also tweak some of the stuff here. You can tell it to generate, because I don't know. Yeah, so I mean, it does like increment the seed every time, so you will get different results if you randomize the seed and stuff like that. The one thing that seems to help, especially if it's like lacking the detail, is just to bump the steps, which would be a typical thing that you would do with a stable diffusion model as well. So there we go. Let's see if it's any better. But yeah, like, I don't know, guys, my head doesn't, I hate to tell you, my head doesn't exactly look like that. I know it's entertaining to look at, but I mean, it looks like I was in some sort of car crash when I look at this. Let's do it one more time. We should have done the download. I want to see the GLB as well. Let's see the GLB for Dimitri's face. I mean, it's not that one's probably one of the better ones. Let's try it. Let's see if Dimitri's head is hollow, and then you'll know that he's not an actual PhD doctor engineer. He's somebody else. All right, let's check it. What's the over under? Does Dimitri have a hollow head or not? See it? Oh yeah, he does not. That's how baller Dimitri is. I don't know what this oh, that might be, it might have yeah, because I was looking to the side, so it sees the freaking chair. Oh yeah, I see it now here. Which is so there's it sees my chair, which is like barely visible behind here, so it sees it. So I mean, whatever, we'll put we'll just put a Dimitri in our, I mean, let's just download this right now. I feel like it's necessary. We're just gonna download a Dimitri, save it here, and then we can play around with it. We'll just add a Dimitri to our 3D model as well. So one thing that I do, not to like completely derail stuff, because I also, one of the questions that I do remember coming in, so let me do this really quickly. I will show you guys, because we mentioned it last time, we actually put it up. So if you guys haven't tried it, from the last stream, you can actually go. So for example, the chat examples, we can go and we can just go here. It's actually, since I'm logged in on launch, it has set the cookie. So the cookie's set correctly. I can do, yo, bro, what's up in here, and then it responds. I mean, so this is like mystical. These examples work so well. And so here's one where we would launch a GPU, for example. So like go into here and we can say, so there's a media fast running, but we actually want oh yeah, I mean, so this one's not optimized to launch a different GPU type, but you guys get the idea. I don't want to stop the GPUs we're running on. So check out this as well. We're trying everything that we do on the stream. We're trying to integrate here. I know the website looks pretty basic, guys. If you know how much work goes into having like 4 to 5 independent websites to build and then have a landing page that navigates through them, I mean, I would you would leave the website as is, looks wise, and work with that. But basically we have these examples, and so the key thing, like the key, so I'll go full screen for this one. I mean, guys, you got to keep in mind, we're actually, and for most of these examples, so for example, the stuff that I'm doing right now with generating a 3D model, we're actually running a full-blown GPU somewhere on planet Earth. There's a full-blown GPU running, and we're using it to generate 3D models. There's a full-blown GPU somewhere in the world. There's a full-blown GPU, and we're using it. And so the reason that we do the examples is to kind of simplify the fact that you have to start the GPU, you have to communicate to it. We just do a landing page where all this happens magically, right? But so we're probably gonna do some Gradio ones as well. I'm not so excited about I want to play. I think everyone's gonna have more fun watching me play around with Hyperfy here in a second, versus me doing I mean, playing around with Hyperfy than me doing another. I mean, I know I got a bunch of positive feedback on the cursor, vibe coding session from last time, but like, let's mix it up. We got a Hyperfy super visual, so we can actually go and play around with it. So, all right, so let's do it really quickly. So I'm gonna go. Let's go to PC again over here. And then let's do the following. So I actually have Hyperfy loaded in this window. Let's actually do this. Let's do it like this. So yeah, so here, right, let's do one more thing. I'm curious, can I, I'm curious, here, right, let me do, wait, where am I? I don't even see myself anymore. No, wait, this was working before. I was using it just before. Let's see. Let's see if we can get it to load really quickly. All right, so we are in Hyperfy, so that's good. So I will show you guys in a second. I just want to make sure that I can do. Let me make sure that I can load a file. All right, so let me do the following. So annoying. Oh, guys, it's like I'm gonna do the following. All right, so I need to clean up my downloads directory. There was too much crap there. I'm sorry, guys. Inside baseball. All right, so let's go, because now it should work fine. Now it should work fine because the Gradio app only downloads to downloads. I don't know how what it's set up to do, but it only downloads to downloads. Let's do it. Let's download the Dimitri face. We'll download the Dimitri face right here, and we will add it to the 3D universe over here. So here's Hyperfy. If you haven't seen it, this is what lots of people are using and playing around with. So let's go and we'll add this guy right here. There we go. We got a Dimitri face right here. We're adding it to Hyperfy. Let's scale it up. Let's make it like 5. Oh man, I made it way too big. Let's make it 5. It's also negative. Classic. Let's just make it positive. Can I make it positive? Wait. Let's make it positive. All right, there we go. There's a gigantic Dimitri face. And then we can also make it where there's full collision with this thing as well. And we can move it around. Just, have Dimitri coming out of the ground right here. And then I'm probably just going to hit escape. And then we should be good to go. And then if I hide this menu right here, we should just be able to jump and stand on Dimitri's head. Just stand on his head, walk around, just check out Dimitri. I mean, look at that. I mean, we just added my face to this game within seconds. How amazing is that? How amazing is that? All right, so let's keep going. So what I want to try to do, I haven't actually tried to do this yet. So we'll play around with I mean, that one's pretty good. It's obviously a unique element, Dimitri's face, just to add it to this universe. Just walk up to it, jump around, just climb up on Dimitri's nose and all that kind of stuff. It's already pretty epic demo, guys, I have to say. But let's just keep going. What we're gonna do next is let's actually generate. I mean, I want to show you guys just with the model, just a couple more examples. We'll add some of those houses and stuff like that because the assets are a little bit nicer than a small screenshot of me on my other monitor in OBS, which was the baseline for this. I mean, it's not terrible, but I mean, it's like it's just my face, guys. All right, so let's go over here. So next thing we're gonna do is let's try one of these houses. I don't know which one I like the most. Oh man, let's do the guys. I don't know whether we do the train. I feel like we got to do the bulldozer. We got to do the bulldozer, guys. Generate 3D asset. Let's do it. Let us do it. So I don't know, for some of these cartoony assets, you might not actually need this many steps in between. Oh, and so here's the other thing. Guys, you need a freaking GPU to run this model, right? I mean, let me go full screen for that. Guys, this model exists, but you need a freaking GPU to run it. And not only a GPU, let's go ahead and look at the RAM, I mean, guys, this GPU is complete overkill for what we're doing, but even the RAM, I mean, so fine, we're only getting up to 7, but it depends on how big the model is, how detailed the model is, and all this kind of stuff. So, I mean, it's a joke to run this model on an H200, obviously, but it might not be a joke to run it on your laptop because it might not have PyTorch and stuff like this. This model is built for NVIDIA GPUs for PyTorch, and so it's easy for us to run it on an H200, as crazy as that sounds. You know, your mileage may vary if you're trying to run this actual model locally. So here's the bulldozer. Let's add it. Let's download it. So that one looks pretty good. It actually knew that the bulldozer probably, I mean, like between the tracks and stuff, it did a decent job. So let's go back to Hyperfy. Let's add the bulldozer. We got to add the bulldozer. So I'm going to go over here. Let's add the model. Let's add the bulldozer. It's going to be sample 1. Boom. Obviously we wanted to, Jesus, how big is this thing now? We're like in the middle of it. Let's set it to, oh my God, let's set it to 10. Can we just do 10, please? Oh, there we go. There's the bulldozer. So I feel like that's pretty good. So here we can have the bulldozer. The bulldozer is about to crush Dimitri. Obviously, let's zoom out a little bit. We can move this around. The 3D view is killing me on this one. So we'll do the bulldozer over there. So let's move it over slightly. Let's get it down. All right, there we go. We got the bulldozer. It's still hanging in the air. Let's get it over here. Come on. Boom. All right, that's perfect. I like it. So we got the bulldozer now. So now I'm gonna exit out of this menu. Oh, did I set up? Let's do collisions all. Boom. All right, and so now we can jump around the bulldozer. So there, I got stuck in the tread just there. So here I'm stuck. I'm jumping around the bulldozer. It's a true 3D model, guys. It's true 3D model. Yes, we're on the bulldozer, guys. We're on the bulldozer, and we can jump off and jump onto Dimitri's head. Onto Dimitri's head. Oh yeah, there's spawn point. I didn't see the spawn point before, but there we go. We got a spawn point here as well. So now we did a bulldozer. We did a Dimitri's head. I mean, again, the hardest part, this model exists, guys. It's an open source model by Microsoft. The hardest part is somebody has to run the freaking GPU. Somebody has to run the freaking GPU for you to be able to use this model. So hopefully, I mean, not hopefully, for sure, we're going to be building an API around this so that you can just go boom, 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 boom. We're going to be modifying the Gradio so it's a single click, because that's also the easiest way to make the API single click. So unfortunately, this example Gradio from Microsoft, it basically does a single step at a time. So it doesn't do a single step. I mean, it does a single step and then stops. So if it actually did multiple steps, it would be like more useful for us, right? So anyway, let's try multiple. So I want to show you guys, we can do multiple images as well. So let's take a look at this one. So here, let's add, yeah, I feel like that one's pretty good. Yeah, I mean, let's do the, what's this one? Nah, let's do we got to do this one. Actually, wait, is the anime, let's see the anime girl. I don't know, let's do the anime girl. Let's try that. And so it will actually, so as far as I know, this model, you can literally upload just a single PNG JPEG with multiple angles, and it does a pretty good job aligning them. I don't know if they all have to be like aligned in a row or anything like that. I don't know how they, I mean, so it might be that you like need them perfectly aligned or something like that for this to work. But it's gonna be manageable. So what are the next thing that we're gonna do is we're actually gonna use another GPU to generate a bunch of assets for us, and then we're gonna try making them 3D, and then we'll play around with them. So here, let's do, yeah, but I want let's actually do the export GLB. So now it's gonna export a GLB, and then let's import it into our world, and then we'll place her somewhere and play around with her. So yeah, so there we got this model. So yeah, I mean, it's not my model. I don't have any feelings for this model. Let's try it out. Let's add it to our universe. We'll place it over here. We'll place it somewhere over here. We'll just add a model, add model, GLB file. Let's click it. Let's use this one right here. All right, there she is. She's not very tall. She's like pretty tiny. So let's keep going. Let's make the scale a little bit bigger. I mean, yeah, let's do like, I don't know, 1.9 seems good enough to me. I don't know why I'm basically in like first person view right here. You can also, I saw that you can like, I don't know how you, I saw you can rotate them somehow. I don't know if it's, I was clicking a bunch of stuff. Guys, I don't know. Guys, I have a total of like 15 minutes of playtime. Shout out to Renee for helping me. Shout out to Renee from the Discord for helping me getting this all set up. But I have not played this for very long, so I'm a little bit overwhelmed. I mean, I just know that this is Dimitri's head as a 3D model, which I'm enjoying. Here's this 3D avatar. There's a bulldozer over there. How do we create these assets? What are we, professional game designers? No, we just used one of the most advanced models for converting one to the other, for converting images to a 3D model. We're just inputting images, they're getting converted to a 3D model, and then we can add them to our game. Awesome. So I'm already, I mean, I hope you're enjoying this as much as I am. So let's keep going. What I want to do next is, this is the one where we're running, let me just make sure. This is the Gradio we're running on Surely Gladly. And then this one is Merely Gently. So Merely Gently, here's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to cheat real quick and hide myself for 1 second, just because I need to find the Comfy UI JSON that we're going to use. So here, let me find it. So yeah, so if you guys have any issues finding any of the stuff, please tell us, because we're trying to keep everything up to date and have it easy to find, etc., etc. I mean, so like it's not you, it's us. We just haven't added it for whatever reason, so just keep that in mind. All right, but I have it good to go. So here we are in Comfy UI. And so what I'm going to do now is, so just to be clear, I haven't tried this, but that's how confident I am that this is going to work. I mean, basically the image to 3D model has been working so great that I'm pretty sure that anything that we run here is basically going to work. All right, so what am I going to do? So all this stuff should be set up correctly. And then here, what I want to do is, yeah, we have like some Labrador thing. I was just playing around in here. So here we want to do blurry, photorealistic, realism, like cinematic and stuff like that, because we want it to still be cartoony. I feel let's try it with cartoony stuff first. Let's do an orange volcano erupting as a pixel. I always forget what's it called. It's called like a pixel. Oh man, I can't think of the word. A pixel sheet, or like as a pixel sheet with 3 aspects to it, or something like that. I don't know. So let's just see how far we get. So I want to see if it's actually going to do it from like multiple angles. I think we actually, do we tell it? Where's the size? Oh, here we go. So let's do, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do 1500 in the hopes that it does it, from 3 sides. So wait, let's do 500. Is it going to work? 496. All right, fine. What's 496? Yeah, but that's not, bro, that doesn't add up. Let's do 400 then. 400 and 1200 over here. So it wants multiples of 4 for whatever reason. So here I'm going to say, so let's just do, so what am I going to do? Blurry, cinematic, photorealistic, 3 aspects to it. Let's do frontal from the right and from the left. Let's see if it works. I'm super curious if it's going to work. Let's click run. So let's see, and then we can watch the GPU get loaded up. So this one's gonna, I mean, it's still not gonna be crazy. I mean, 21 gigs. I mean, yes, you're not gonna be running this on your laptop at this point. I mean, it's a 37. I mean, yeah. I mean, probably not. You probably want a data center GPU. I mean, if we're running at 37, you're probably not going to be running this on your 5090 either. Just saying. Probably not going to be running it on your 3090. But you know, that's just how we do. I do think. Oh man, Oh man, that's actually not terrible. That is actually not too bad. That's not too bad. Let's try this because I want to see if we can get this to work. So I'm going to do save image. All right, sweet. We got the comfy UI image save. Man, I am actually I'm pretty bullish. Let's refresh this because then I just know it's going to forget everything if I do that. So let's go to multiple images. I think we can do this. So here, we're going to go to downloads. We're going to pick this one right here. Let's see if it works. Please work. No. Do we actually need 3 images? I don't remember how. I don't know how it's parsing these. I mean, we might need to look at the. I mean, I'll take a. So what I suspect. I mean, guys, I'm pretty good at computers. So PNG has like a multiple page thing. It could be that these are multiple PNG pages within the same image, and that's how it's splitting it. Although I have a feeling it's just editing. Let's try this single image here. Wait, let's see if this works. Wait, actually, on the multiple images, yeah. I mean, anyway, let's see if we can get this to work. Let's try this again. Let's try this. Let's see if it works. So yeah, the issue is this is just picking one of them. So the issue. Let's see if we can get it to generate without a background. Because the issue is the background, so it doesn't know what to crop basically, so it's picking one thing. So let's go back. Here's our comfy UI. Let's just do the image has a black background. There is no sky or anything around the volcano. Boom. Let's try it again. Boom. Run. Let's try it. Let's see if it works. Let's watch that GPU get loaded up with the 37 gigs. Boom. This one's pretty close to being finished. I mean, once the image model is loaded, this should be pretty fast. Oh man, that one's so good. All right, let's do perfectly aligned from 3 angles, front, left, and right, 400 pixels each. An orange volcano erupting as a pixel sheet with, yeah, as a pixel sheet. I mean, let's just try that. Let's just say black background. And then here we can say sky as the negative prompt. We'll add sky. Let's try it. Let's see if we can get this to work. Let's see if we can get it to work. I mean, any of this stuff would be trivial to edit in Photoshop right now, but I'm too lazy. We're not gonna Photoshop today, guys. What are we? I mean, that one's pretty good. I mean, God, I wish. I mean, this one I'm curious to try, but I'm not super bullish. I mean, I'm blown away that it understands exactly what I'm asking for, but it's not exactly what I need. Here, wait, where's our thing? Here, let's do multiple images. Let's try this. I think I had it work with a multiple. I mean, let's see if this works. I'm curious. Boom. All right, it just picked. All right, screw it. Let's get rid of the pixel art stuff's not gonna work right now. Let's just do a cartoon volcano erupting with the letters "come" on the side of it. All right, let's do it, and then let's run it. Here, let's just run 16 of them. We'll pick the best one. We'll just pick the best one, guys. We'll just let it run. We'll just pin the GPU to max and then let it run for a little bit here. In the meantime, I will check. I'm gonna check if we got any incoming questions. I'm gonna check if we got any incoming questions. All right, let's go to the compute AI thing. So I did see somebody was asking super technical questions that I can't answer right now in the general chat. I mean, how to run stuff. All right. Oh man, super nice. Somebody's educating our users not to click links. Ask us about that. Ask us about it. We'll talk about it in the live stream, most likely. We'll talk about it in the live stream or in the spaces. We'll talk about it because I don't think people got what I'm talking about, like how much crazy stuff happened. I'm just checking if there was any questions, but I don't see any mentions on Twitter, which is good. I'm keeping an eye on the what's it called, on the Discord as well. Best place to ask questions, guys, and best place to ask questions. And then I'm gonna briefly check if there was a question or two that I got that came in. I was checking if there was a thing that came in on Telegram, but there wasn't. All right, so let's go back. We should have a couple images. I mean, it's still rendering. Oh man, these are so good. Oh, I forgot. I mean, guys, there's an issue here. We're gonna have to stop it. So here's what a generator. I mean, they're good. Don't get me wrong, they're good. Look at these. I mean, these are so good. So here, let's do. I don't know if it's. I think the $ is like screwing it. Let's just get rid of the $. The other thing is, I forgot. Let's just cancel everything. Let's just make this 1000 or 1000, please. Thank you. 1020. Let's do 1024. 1024. Let's just do with the letters com, and then black background, no sky. Actually, well, yeah, let's try it. I mean, let's try that. So let's run it. Let's see what we get. I mean, these are pretty good, but they're like, I mean, yeah. I mean, yesterday I was like, oh man, which model are we running? Oh, we're running dev. All right, we should maybe do a different model. We should maybe do full. Anyway, let's see what we get. All right, that's pretty good. That's not terrible. All right, let's clear all the jobs. Let's do full. Let's do the full because it'll be a little bit more detailed for this. Did it not clear all the jobs? Of course you didn't. Delete all tasks. Stop rendering. All right. Cartoon volcano. All right. Let's try. Oh man, that one's also pretty good. No sky, just the volcano on a green mountain hill. Boom. Let's try that. We'll tweak it like that. And now let's get it to run. Steps. Oh man, steps pretty high. All right, let's try 35. I think 35 is also fine. So yeah, I just did. I queued 15 renders. Let's see this. See this run. So just to be clear, we're generating images and then these are becoming 3D models in our metaverse. I mean, guys, did you hear what I said? We're using the GPUs to generate images and then converting them using the GPUs to 3D models that we're then adding to a metaverse where we can then play around with them. What is going on? What is this guy doing on X right now during a live stream just after their token got listed on MEXC? What is he doing? Is he creating 3D universes in a metaverse? I mean, he is. That's exactly what he's doing. All right, let's keep going. So the results are pretty good. I know you guys haven't seen them yet. I mean, this one's a candidate. This one's a candidate for sure. I'm gonna do copy image. Oh man, this one's the winner. This one's the winner. I just like it because so first of all, it's black, so that's gonna work well. Then it has like weirdness. Then I'm curious to see what it's gonna do about these like clouds sticking out and stuff. This one's also pretty good. I mean, this is gonna be fun, guys. This is gonna be fun. All right, let's do this. We're gonna go back to the Gradio. I'm gonna click here. Let's do this. Or wait, can I? Because I should be for the single image. I know I can just do paste. Boom. All right, let's do generate 3D asset. Boom. Let's see this. So it did get rid of some of the clouds. Let's see this. I can't wait. Let's do it. Oh man, that's pretty good. It's pretty good. I mean, it screwed up the cloud, but I mean, are you gonna fault it? I'm not gonna fault it. Where does it say calm? I mean, it just keeps going, just calm all around. We're gonna add this one to the 3D world, guys. Let's add it to our metaverse right here. All right, good enough. Good enough. We'll try this out. I mean, I'm just trying this out, right? So here we got a Dimitri head over here. We got the anime avatar lady, pale lady. Then we got a bulldozer about to bulldoze Dimitri's head away. Then you can't forget the remainder of Dimitri's chair that's behind him. I mean, it was picked up, so it got added. Part of Dimitri's chair is also there. So now let's do let's go and let's add another model. Add model. All right, so here we go. Let's go and let's add this guy right here. Boom. So here's this one. Oh man, that looks so good. It does look pretty good, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Not gonna lie, this looks pretty good, but we have to make it gigantic, so I'm trying to move as far as I can. So let's move it over here, and then let's make it, oh, that's negative. Let's make it gigantic, guys. Let's make it gigantic. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at this gigantic volcano that we're adding here. Let's just keep going. Let's just keep going. All right, let's just increase the Y. Can I do it? I mean, I know I can with oh yeah. Let's do it. Let's do it. Here's the volcano. Here's the volcano. We got a volcano now. I'm satisfied with this volcano. How long does it take to add assets? Forever. But how long does it take when you can use the freaking GPU that just use some H200? Guys, just throw H200s at the problem and it will be solved. Let's see if we got any other ones. Oh, this is like a classic AI thing. Like it adds a border because it got trained. Oh man, this one's pretty good. I do like that one. This one's also pretty good. I mean, I'm tempted to try those. Let's actually try let's try this one, because this one I do like how it looks, because it's like detailed enough. I have a feeling it's gonna do a decent job with it. Let's get rid of this guy. Let's do paste. Let's do it. Generate through. No, it got rid of the mountainside. I mean, that's also pretty good. I mean, I like that it AI interpolated just some text that isn't there. Classic AI just saying, you know, let me add text that you didn't ask for to your thing. So let's try this one. Let's see if this one's better. I have a feeling, so the other thing, so like a classic thing where it like adds too much text and stuff is actually, okay, so maybe we don't have enough steps, so I would also try that. Let's just set it to 25. Generate 3D asset. No, I should have seen. The rem background is screwing us. It's screwing us. I gotta get rid of the black background, because I think it's gonna actually do a better job, potentially, if let's get rid of the black background. Let's get rid of the black background. Let's still leave no sky. Boom. All right. Let's just do like 4. Boom. I mean, these are pretty good. I mean, I'm entertained. This one might actually work. This one might work. Let's try this one, because it has the border, so it might trick the model enough to do it. So here, let's try. Come on, paste. Let's see. RemBG. Oh, RemBG, you screwed us. You screwed us. You were so close, RemBG, but you screwed us. All right, let's try this one. All right, this one looks too like cartoony. I mean, let's go for it. This one looks so ridiculous that I want to see it. This one looks so ridiculous that I want to see it. Boom. Let's try it. Don't know. Not too happy with that one. Let's try this one. This one might also work. I might need I mean, yeah, I mean, it's good that we're playing around with this. I might see if there's some stuff that maybe there's a couple sliders that we can add to play around with stuff. Let's actually try this one, because I'm curious, is it gonna what's it gonna do underneath? Is it gonna hollow it again? Because if it hollows it, that might be fun. That might be fun. All right, let's keep going. What is it? All right, I mean, that looks pretty good. Up top, it looks good. Down here, it's a little bit, don't know. Let's just do, oh crap, let's do the export GLB. Let's try it. We'll add it to our universe. We'll add it to our universe. All right, here's the next one that I want to do is I want epic Japanese style trees that are very oddly shaped. Let's try it. One tree per image or something like that. Let's try it. I want to see, can we make assets? Can we just make some trees? You know, we gotta plant some trees today. We'll just plant some trees. Let's try it out. Is it still rendering? Of course it is. It's still rendering. All right, we're at the trees, guys. It's treeing right now. All right, let's try to add this guy. All right, this one. Oh man, oh, this is so good. This is so good. This is so good. It better do a decent job. I'm gonna yell at it if it doesn't. This one looks so good. All right, we're gonna add that in a second. Did I download? I can't remember. I can't remember if we downloaded. We're gonna try it here in a second. Let's do add model. Let's pick the file. Let's pick this one, the last one. Boom. How's it gonna look? Is it there? I can't even tell. Yeah, it's just tiny. We gotta scale it up. Scale it up, baby. Let's do it. So there, it's over here. There we go. Yeah, I mean, anyway, it's good. It's good. It's good. I mean, here we go. Does it say? It says CM. It just, you know, it just misspelled it in the 3D modeling. It's fine. Let's go back. I'm super bullish on this tree right here. I'm super bullish. Let's try it out. I want to see how it does with the tree. Super bullish. This is exactly what I had in my mind. I want to see this tree. Come on, dude. Good job. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. Guys. Oh man, but the white over here. All right, let's see it. Let's see it. Confidence is high. Confidence is high that this is going to be a pretty baller tree. Oh, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Does it have the white? Yeah, so it doesn't know what to do with the white, but I mean, it's not terrible. Man, the tree is so good. The tree is so good. Why would you bother doing anything except this for trees? I mean, can you imagine that somebody gets paid a job to draw trees? I mean, bro, what are you doing? Just AI this. Just get some H200s and AI this. Man, that tree is a work of art. Let's try it. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. It doesn't know what's going on over here. It's like the tree has a bald spot. It's just, you know, tree pattern baldness going on over here. Man, but otherwise it's such a good tree. We're going to have to add this, guys. We're going to have to add it to our universe. We're just going to have to add some trees. Let's go over here to Hyperfy. I'm just gonna, guys, I'm just planting some trees. We're planting some trees right now. Let's go back. Let's add a tree, obviously. All right, let's do tree. Let's make it bigly. Let's make it stick out of the ground. Oh man, the tree is so good. The tree is the best thing that we made so far, by hands down. Hands down. And check this out. We can actually go, because I saw this before. I think we can do this and then just keep. Can we not add, can I not duplicate this tree? I bet I can, but I'm just too bad at this. Can I copy paste? No, that doesn't work. Can I do? Yeah, I don't know. I mean, in theory, I could duplicate the tree, but we'll leave the tree for now. All right, let's try, let's see if there was any other good trees that we generated. I mean, this one's also pretty good. That one looks weird. I'm curious what it's going to do with these. I mean, I like the scene behind it. That's pretty good. This one should actually work out pretty well, because RemBG actually does an epic job detecting the background just being out of focus. So we'll try it. So let's go back to the Gradio. Let's get rid of this. Let's paste right here. Guys, did I tell you that we're running 3D models for this on Compute.ai's GPUs right now? So like RemBG, I mean, I'm telling you, I've used RemBG before. RemBG did a perfect job getting rid of the background here. So let's see what the 3D asset looks like. I'm curious, what's it going to do here? You know what? I'm tempted to try. I'm tempted to try this guy. Oh man, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. I have no complaints. I mean, that's actually perfect. Screw it. Let's do it. Let's export this. That is the best tree result that we've had so far. The best tree result that we've had so far. All right, let's try this. Let's go to Hyperfy. Obviously add a model. Obviously model. Let's go and grab the last thing that we downloaded. Guys, you know, we're just creating a world here. I mean, just what you do on a Tuesday afternoon. You just create a world. You know, you just synthesize some trees. You know, you just set their scale to maybe, I don't know, 5, something like that. 7 seems pretty good. And there's our trees. So the important thing is we gotta remember to add the collision on all these. So let's go back. We gotta add the collision over here, all over here, all over here, all, because I think I did it for the face and stuff like that. We did it there, and then over here, all. All right, all. Do we have the collisions? All right, so those are pretty good. So I'm gonna show you guys one amazing thing here, potentially my favorite thing that got me super excited. I don't know if Ash, the guy who does Hyperfy, is a car guy, but he did include a Mitsubishi Evo in this, so obviously we have to add that. So we're gonna do car right here. We got to do the car. We'll do drift. Where's the car, bro? There it is. Here, give me the car. Fine, leave it there. It's fine. We'll just do the car. Boom, boom, boom. All right, and then obviously we're gonna drive the car. Wait, now I gotta remember how to do it. Oh yes, enter. Boom, boom. Look at that, guys. We're just drifting around our world that we created. Just, oh man. Oh, I didn't know. Wait, did it move? Did it move the bulldozer, or was that me? I think it was just a glitch. I don't think the objects are like movable, but I mean, there we go. We just crashed into Dimitri's nose. I mean, he has a broken nose now. Let's just crash into Dimitri some more. Boom, boom, just crashing into him. Just look at that Evo 10. I mean, no Mitsubishi logo, but guys, who are we kidding here? Everyone knows it's an Evo 10. I mean, everyone knows it's the Evo 10. It's a Lancer Evo 10. I mean, no questions. No questions about it. All right, so the cool thing is, so here's one of the last things that I want to try. Like, I'm so looking forward to this, because this is my dream. Guys, when we end this stream, I'm gonna call my son, and then this is what we're gonna be doing. So here we go. I'm gonna hit escape so that we can go over here, and let's just say the most epic Hot Wheels style loops. Boom, let's do it. Let's do it. Give me the loops. Oh man, we have do we have audio coming in somewhere? Where's the audio coming in from? No, is it playing audio? Oh man, I didn't see. There's some sound coming in here. I didn't know there was audio in the game, guys. I feel slightly bad. Hyperfy, you failed me. Anyway, I'll have to, I mean, yeah, anyway, we'll have some audio over here. I'll have to potentially edit some of that audio out, but yeah, we had audio from the game. Or I guess it's probably from the car, yeah? That was probably the audio. You're right. Let me get Dimitri doesn't know, but let me get the headphones. So what's the audio that we had going here? Because I just saw that there was audio and muted it. Let me do let's do. So is it that? Ah, yeah, it's the car. Oh man, that's pretty epic. All right, so then I don't feel as bad. So I mean, it is a little bit, I mean, it's just loud, but I mean, you gotta have car noises. I mean, that's pretty epic. So yeah, there's no collision sounds or anything like that, but I mean, oh yeah, look at that. So if you get stuck, unfortunately, oh man, look at that. I don't know how I did that or why a car would flip, but I mean, clearly I mean, it's realism. It's realism. All right, so oh man, these are pretty good. These are pretty good. All right, I mean, I am so freaking tempted. All right, guys, if this freaking works, it is game over. It is game over. All right, so let's try this. Let's try this right now. Oh my god. Oh my god. If this works, I'm gonna lose it. If this works, I'm gonna lose it. My son is gonna be so excited. I mean, it's just gonna be insanity. Insanity. Oh my god, it did such a good job. It did such a good job. All right, let's drive this. Let's drive this in a second. Let's drive this. I mean, I'm curious. I mean, obviously classic AI, like the loop isn't connected to anything, but we're going to test it out, guys. We're going to test it out. The Hot Wheels universe that we're building right here. I mean, look at this. Look at that. I mean, it's pretty, guys. You can't tell me that's not epic. You cannot tell me that's not epic. Guys, let's go full screen one more time. Guys, what is making this possible? 2 H200s on Compute AI. I mean, we're just running Comfy UI on 1. We have 9 minutes left. It doesn't really matter. We'll boot up some new instances, but actually, I mean, 9 minutes will probably be a good time to end the stream. But I mean, we can just generate our own Hot Wheels universe and then drive a Mitsubishi Evo 10 around. I mean, why? I mean, just run some $45,000-$50,000 GPUs to generate our universe and then just drive around in a Mitsubishi Evo. I mean, that's what you do on Tuesdays. I mean, clear the schedule. I got to drive around some Hot Wheels tracks on my Evo. All right, so let's try this. I can't remember if I downloaded it. Let's just download it again. Let's go over here. Where was it? Let us do, man, now that I'm gonna have, I mean, it's a little bit game over for me. I mean, it's like, bye NetOS, bye. I know what you're gonna do now. You're gonna be generating Hot Wheels universes and like driving around them. I don't know if you guys like, I mean, so here, I'll go full screen. Inside Baseball. Guys, I really like Trackmania. I've liked it since I was a kid, back when it was like 2D graphics and DOS. I mean, I like Trackmania, and Trackmania is pretty good right now too. I don't know if you play Trackmania. I mean, my son do. So I'm equally excited about this right here. So let's go back. Let's make this thing gigantic. Oh man, I flipped it. Oh. Yeah, so the cars aren't the cars that it has there aren't as good, but I mean, what do you expect? Oh man, but it's still pretty good. It's still pretty good considering we spent 30 seconds generating this Hot Wheels level. Let's do all, and then I'll go out of here. All right, let's get some sound. Boom. We gotta lower it, guys. We gotta lower it. Otherwise, we can't get onto the track. Here, wait. Move it down. Move it down. Where was it? Boom. Oh, crap. Here we go. Yeah, I don't. Is there even a ramp that we can hit? Let's try it out. I mean, theoretically, we could get on that one. Anyway, you guys get the idea. Let's do, because we have a couple minutes left, let's do the world's largest ski jump for cars, for Hot Wheels cars. There are no cars on the ski jump. Let's try this. We gotta do it. It's the last thing we're doing, guys. How much time do we have? Because we have 6 minutes. We have 6 minutes. We gotta finish this. We got 6 minutes. We must complete this mission within 6 minutes. Man, this one's pretty baller. This one's also baller. I mean, I can't freaking believe it. Man, my kid is gonna table flip when he sees this. Oh man, that's also pretty good. I should have. All right, so ski jump isn't that great. So let's do the world's largest ramp for Hot Wheels cars to jump off of. Let's try that. Boom, go. Because the ski jump. I mean, did you guys see this? I mean, are they? It's Hot Wheels. It's Hot Wheels, guys. Hot Wheels. I mean, you can tell it's a Chinese model here. Just random grammatical errors. Actually, I don't think that's true. I don't remember who does High Dream, but yeah. Oh man, that one's pretty good. I mean, this one would, do I feel like, I mean, there are no cars. Let's just do cars here, and then over here, let's just do no cars. No cars. Guys, we gotta get one. We gotta get one. Let's do 2/3 view from the side of the world's largest ramp for Hot Wheels cars. Boom. Come on, do it. Guys, we have 4 minutes. We gotta get this done. All right, let's cancel everything. Clear everything. Delete everything. Go, come on. Let's queue some more. Just go. What do we get here? I still think that's the previous prompt. Let's just do for cars. For cars, let's get rid of the Hot Wheels. Boom. Right here. Boom, boom. Boom. Let's try it. See if we can get a better result without the Hot Wheels. No, 4 minutes. Come on. Come on. Come on. We gotta beat it. Let's also get rid of the rumbling of the engine for no reason. Come on. We gotta get it. We gotta get it. Oh, that's not too bad. It's not too bad. I mean, this one I'm tempted to try. See, this one's not terrible. This one's not terrible. All right, let's go to the Gradio. Let's get rid of this. Paste. Paste. Oh, no. Oh, you failed us, Gradio. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Please tell me this is going to work. This looks so good. Here, wait. Boom. Oh, my God. Please tell me this is going to work. No. No. Let's try this one. All right, this one's also pretty good. Let's try this one. Guys, if we don't finish in time, it's fine. I'll launch another. All right, that's not terrible. Generate 3D asset. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's see if there's a better one that got generated. Man, this one's also pretty good. This one's also pretty good, I have to say. Oh man, I made it flat. Damn it. It's because the RemBG didn't do a good job on the side of it. All right, let's do this one. Let's go back over here. Let's get rid of this one. Paste. Because it got rid of the foreground, and so the 3D model didn't know what was up. All right, let's try this. I have a feeling this one's gonna get flat as well because it doesn't see the perspective. I mean, this one also looks pretty baller, but I have a feeling it's gonna focus on the car. Let's try it. I mean, yes, exactly. It just doesn't see from the when the background gets removed, it loses the sense of perspective, so it just doesn't know what's up. Let's try. Yeah, I knew it was gonna be the car. We gotta get this. Let's do angle view of a cartoon ramp. Let's try it. Run. Let's do it. How much time do we have? 1 minute. Guys, it's gonna be close. It's gonna be close. Let's just start booting up. We gotta finish it. We gotta get at least one. I can't end it too early. Guys, we launched a third GPU. I mean, who cares? We just launched another one. All right, come on. Give me the image. Give me the image. Oh man, I just realized, so that was I'm tempted. Let's try it. Let's try it. That might not be terrible. I have a feeling I'm gonna run out of time. All right, let's try that. No, not gonna work. We gotta get one of these to work. We gotta get one to work. Come on. Oh man, this one might do it. This one might do it. Let's try it. This is gonna be ridiculous, but this one might work. Oh, come on. Come on, it's very clear that the cars are on a ramp of some sort. All right, good enough. Ship it. Come on. Is it gonna finish? 0 minutes. Come on, finish, bro. Do it. Finish in time. Did it finish? Yes. Yes. Yes, we got it. We got it. Let's try this out. Let's try this out. This will be the last thing that we try out today. We'll get the engine noises back up in a second. Here, I'm gonna park this over here. Let's add a model. Let's add the crazy thing that we just rendered. Oh my god, what is it doing? Oh yeah, because I collided with it or something like that. All right, let's make this gigantic. I don't know how it picks the size actually, is one of the questions that I have. So I'm back to the car. So let's do this. Let's make it gigantic. I mean, yes, not, oh man, we have a tunnel, so that's also pretty good. Anyway, good enough. I mean, I would say good enough. Let's just try it. Let's see if we can hit this ramp. Here, right, let's do, boom. All right, there we go. All right, let's get the sound. We gotta go full screen for this. Let's try it out. Oh yeah, I forgot to make it. Look, guys, I forgot to make it so that we have to collision. We gotta add collisions back in. Guys, we gotta hit an epic jump and then we're ending the stream. Then we're ending the stream after we hit this epic jump that we just created. Yes! Oh, look at that distance. Oh, yes! Yes! We're still going. Oh yeah. This one I don't think we're going. Classic, but I can tip the car back over. Oh yeah. Let's run in at Dimitri's face one more time. Let's do it. Where's the face? Let's hit Dimitri's face. Boom. All right, and then let's go and hit one more jump and then we'll end it there, guys. We'll end it there. Is this what you were expecting? I mean, guys, we just used like $150,000 worth of GPUs. So what do? We just generated a universe where we have some random Hot Wheels tracks and then we have a ramp that we can hit, a sweet, sweet ramp. Are we on the other? Yeah, we're on the other side. We gotta go over here. Pinned at 120 FPS. I mean, obviously. All right, let's hit this. Let's hit this. Better be sweet. Oh yeah. Are we gonna land? Yes! Boom. Guys, is this what you were expecting from today's stream? I was, but I was also the one planning it. So anyway, that was fun. So hopefully you guys got, I mean, the trees were the best. I got super triggered when I saw Shaw building his Hyperfy universe. Because he was, I mean, it was a lot of work. I'm not gonna lie, it was a lot of work. And I mean, I knew that we had this model coming up, so I definitely think we're gonna be playing around with this. I know some of our partners are gonna be playing around with this. Museum Crypto, a bunch of the Force M guys, etc. I mean, they all want this stuff, so we're gonna be having a lot of fun. I think. Don't quote me on this, but the way that I had it explained to me is that in Hyperfy v2, it's really easy to integrate REST calls and stuff like that. And then if you integrate the REST calls, that means that we could integrate 3D model generation and basically build out, like, you know, elements in the world where you could generate, upload an image or something like that, then generate the world and have that go. But basically, I mean, we're gonna be playing around with all this stuff. I mean, we're gonna be generating these kinds of worlds, playing around with them. You can see the trees. I mean, let's go back. We got to take one more look at some of those sweet trees that we did. Let's go back. Let's go find those sweet trees. Yeah, so I muted it. So guys, I'm not gonna alt tab just to turn the engine back on, the engine noise. But look at this sweet tree. I mean, the trees are pretty epic. I mean, I know you could work on the textures a little bit, do higher quality images and stuff like that, but I mean, those are some pretty nice trees, I mean, if I may say so myself. So instead of, you know, using the standard 1 out of 10 trees or however many assets they have, you can get some of these, and then, you know, you turn collisions on, run into them with your Mitsubishi Evo 10. and then stuff like that. Just build a Hot Wheels universe that you try to run around, drive around. Just build a ramp of some sort. I mean, it's a little bit janky, but we can work on that. It's all promptable, guys. We just have to fix the prompt. We have to tell it. We have to be more descriptive about how the prompt, how the universe ebbs and flows to get that one running. But yeah, anyway, super awesome 3D models running on Compute AI. Did you think it was possible? We knew it was possible. We just had enough time to do it. So if you guys need specific models, hop on our Discord, let us know. We love to add this kind of stuff because I mean, a couple weeks ago we didn't really know about 3D modeling to this degree, and so I mean, I was pleasantly surprised that there are now, you know, with all the AI breakthroughs happening, there's now really good models to take an image or multiple images and then to stitch them into a 3D model. I found with this model, just a couple more comments. So the name of it is TRELLIS by Microsoft. So you can look it up. It's on GitHub. So TRELLIS, with the TRELLIS stuff, I found the cartoony stuff just because it has a very clear, like, you know, white, black, like very, very clear just from the color of the pixels. Edges, it does a super good job for the games. Like it is really good 3D models. If you start doing photorealistic stuff like Dimitri's face, I mean, it struggles with like gradients and stuff like that. I mean, it's still super good. I mean, we were enjoying running it in my face with an Evo 10 today, but it wasn't as good as the trees, for example. But yeah, anyway, so we built that, we added it. You can now run it. You can run it. You can generate stuff in seconds. You can generate all these 3D assets. So if you go and you render a bunch of, you know, 2D images, you can convert them all to 3D. You can do multiple. I mean, it literally, you saw it takes a couple seconds on an H200 to run this. You can run a couple of these, see what's the best result, which one gave me the best result, use the best result, all that kind of stuff. So super epic. I'm super excited that we added this model. Shout out to all the guys that were looking forward to this model. I think Museum of Crypto Art is going to be using this extensively to essentially build a metaverse with all the crypto art, all the NFTs, and all the other stuff that they have. It's going to be super epic to see that as well. I'm super looking forward to it. It's like going to completely speed up their workflow. A couple other teams as well. I mean, if you want some fancy trees to flex on all your bros and Hyperfy, I mean, just do this, guys. I just showed you the trick. I mean, it's just you generate some awesome looking 2D trees, and then you tell the model to make 3D versions of them. You get the most epic trees ever, and they don't look boring. You can have every tree be a unique snowflake, and then maybe you train a lore model, and then they all look mostly the same, but you know, they're slightly different. All things that you can do on Compute AI, basically. I mean, just to name one of the providers out there. All right, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that. I know I really did. I was super excited when I saw there's an Evo 10 and as the car asset is the Evo 10. Guys, I'm a car guy, so I got super excited that there was a cool car as the car in this game. It could have just been like, you know, a Homer Simpson car or something like that, but it wasn't. It was an Evo 10. I mean, it doesn't say so, but everyone knows it's an Evo 10. So yeah, anyway, I'll leave it there, and then we'll probably, like I said, make sure you follow us on all the socials. I'll do one more small public service announcement. We did see that there's a fake Telegram channel out there, and we think it's a channel that renamed their name to like Compute AI Official. So verify all the links. Make sure you're joining the right channels. The place to verify them is go to our X account, then go to our link tree, and all the links on our link tree are correct. So that's the best way to not join the wrong Discord server, which we had, not click the wrong links and have some crypto get stolen, all that kind of stuff. All the nasty stuff that happens on the internet, you can avoid that by going to our X, which you should be following anyway, and then going through the link tree. Other than that, I think, like I said, we'll probably do spaces this week. I'm like 90% sure we'll do space this week because there's a lot of stuff to talk about. You guys can join, ask questions, all the space kind of stuff, so look forward to that. We'll probably be announcing it tomorrow, or probably tomorrow. I mean, I'll just say probably tomorrow. We'll announce whether it's going to be Thursday, Friday. I mean, maybe we'll bump it early next week, but we're going to do a space in the next couple of days. Other than that, yeah, join our Discord for sure. I think that's where the most action is in terms of discussions on models and stuff like that. We also have with a couple projects where, you know, we're collaborating The collaboration's also public. We just have a separate channel we're building in public and all that kind of stuff. So I think it's super exciting. Don't miss out on the Discord. Check out us on MEXC. Check out us on auto.fun. Shout out to ElizaOS and all the other teams that we've been collaborating with. Auto.fun, ElizaOS, everyone. If I forgot anyone, it's not because I'm a bad person. I just forgot. All right. So shout out to everyone. Thanks for joining the stream. We'll be doing more of this as time goes on, and then we'll see you guys next time.